everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a graph in Google Sheet. So first you have to open Google Sheet, enter your data clearly, put the categories or labels in one column and the values in the next column. Now highlight the data you want in your graph and then go to Insert tab, click on Chart and Google Sheet will automatically insert a chart. To change the type, open the chart editor on the right side, go to chart type and here you are able to change it. So here I'm choosing the line chart, and if you want to customize your chart then click on the customize button and here you are able to change or add chart titles, access labels, colors, grid lines to make it clear and more professional. So once you are happy with it, click anywhere outside the chart and your graph is ready to use. So if you want to move it, just drag it and drop wherever you want to put it. And that's it. We have successfully created a graph in Google Sheet. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.